darlings, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and be part of this amazing family, and also turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we are gonna be making a long circle maxi dress with open front, and it's easy to make. So please, if this is what you like to learn, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm using this beautiful African fabric, which is 6 yards, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to cut and join the fabric before cutting the full circle dress, because the fabric came in length 45. If you want a short flared gown, you can leave it as it is, but if you want the full one on the thumbnail, you need all the 6 yards. But what I'm going to do is, this 6 yards, I'm going to divide it into 3 parts, which is 2 yards each. But you should know that this cloth doesn't come exactly 36 by 45. It's less. So before you cut it, you make sure that you divide the 6 yards into 3 exact. You measure and divide it into 3 pieces. That's 2 yards. Because if you want the full long gown, you need the 6 yards, and if you don't join it, you are not going to get the full length you wanted. So what I've done is I cut it into 3 parts. This is 2 yards, this piece is 2 yards, this is also the next, this is also 2 yards, that is 6. So what I'm going to do now is to take one piece and put aside these 2 pieces, and this one piece I'm going to divide it into 2 to join in the lower part of these 2 pieces. So this one piece, this is 2 yards, and I'm going to fold it into 2. This is it. Hope you can see well, because my camera cannot capture everything on the table. So this is 2 yards. This is folded into 2, and I'm going to fold it again to 2 on the lengthwise. This is, I fold it into 2 again, as you can see. So today's video is mainly going to be on how to join the fabric, and then the second part of this video is going to be on how to cut it and sew it. So you fold it into 2 again, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I folded it into 4. Let me repeat again. This is 2 yards. So this is the 2 yards folded into 2. And I'm going to fold it again like so. I fold it again into 2, making 4 pieces. Like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do is to cut it into 2. So I'm going to cut it from here. I'm going to cut it into 2, like this. You see, the down part is the open part. So I'm going to cut it into 2 on this part. So let me cut it now. So this is it. This is one part. After cutting it, this is one part. Hope you can see it. This one part after cutting it. And this is the second part after cutting it. You can see that this is the second part. So 2 yards cut into 2. So this is it. So what I'm going to do now is to bring the two yards. These are the two yards, and I'll take one like this, and I'm going to join half of the one I cut on this, and I'm going to join the other half to this. So you make sure that you join it to the lower part, not the upper part. But in this case, the pattern of this design in this cloth, it can go up and it can fix down. It can go all angles like this. You see it's. So what I'm going to do now is to open it up, open the 2 yards up like this, and take one of the pieces that I divided into 2 and join it to the lower part like this, so that it can be long enough for the full circle dress. I'm going to join it. I'm going to join it like this. So I'll take it to my machine and then stitch it all the way to the end like this. Hope you understand what I'm doing. So I will take the other piece, that's the other 2 yards. I will take it and open it up. Open it up like this. And take the other half piece of the 2 yards I cut into 2 and also join it. So I'm taking it to my machine, join it. After joining it, I'll open the seam to iron it neatly and come and show you how it looks. So guys, I'm done joining the fabric. You can see the joining line here. Hope you can see it well. So this is it. It makes the fabric longer to be enough for the full flare gown. So this is it. Let me show you. So this is 36 by 45. This is where it ends. You can see that this is where it ends. So I have to join to it to make it longer. So you see, this is the half of the 2 yards I cut and joined. So this is it. You see how long it is? You should join it on the width, not on the side. On the length, no, you have to join it on the width like this. On the width, this is 36 times 2. This is 2 yards. So you join it on the width. You don't join it on the lengthwise. So you see how big it is now. So I did the same thing to the other piece. So now we have a full fabric to sew our maxi dress. So guys, stay tuned for the cutting and sewing of the full maxi dress. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share my videos, and also leave comments. Thank you for watching, and don't miss out on my next video. Bye.